Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Try It Tuesday. I am here at Ragin Cajun Café here in LA. And as you can see, they got it decked out for Halloween. So in the spirit of Halloween, we're gonna give this one a try. Got some great seafood and Cajun food. So before we get into it, make sure to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Let's go in and check it out. Like I said, they are in the spirit of Halloween. And this just gives it a spooky ambiance, but definitely creative. So as you can see, I'm showing you guys the inside of the building. This came by recommendation by one of our real estate friends that is in the local area at our real estate conference. And it was like, you guys got to try this restaurant out. It's a local favorite here in LA. Okay, so inside, and I'm gonna show you guys the Halloween menu and stuff like that. Like I said, they got seafood boils, they got Cajun food, Cajun chicken, even turkeys and stuff like that. Gator, I'm probably not gonna get that one. Seafood gumbo and stuff like that. So I'm gonna show you guys the menu real quick. So as you guys can see, the different options they got. Even frog legs, y'all. Black frog legs. And here is the Halloween special menu. Ooh, let me try one of these. Isn't that creative? Love it. Thinking about trying the front again. Okay, so we just put in the order in. Got some red beans and rice, some fried crawfish, fried shrimp, fried catfish. What else did we get? There's some blackened catfish, I believe, and some soup, and of course, we got a drink. We got a drink. It is called Blue Voodoo. It's gonna be dope. Watch out. All right, guys, she's bringing the Blue Voodoo. Check that out. So. It's actually really good. It actually just tastes like blue Kool-Aid, to be honest, with maybe a little bit of vodka. Look at my skull. And it's a keepsake, so I get to keep it. Welcome to LA. So check out the food. That's my fly. Platter, crawfish, catfish, and shrimp. We got vegetables, blackened catfish, and mac and cheese. They said it's spicy. And then here, we got the red beans and rice. Try. This is the shrimp, or the shrimp cocktail. Bomb diggity. And they make their own tartar sauce. Probably one of the best I've ever tasted. Very good. Catfish strips. And of course the crawfish. Try with some tartar sauce. Good. Make one slap your mouth. Real quick, I'm gonna try the red beans and rice. I'll show you guys that. Pretty good. Let's keep going. Now here they make their own pepper sauce as well as their hot sauce. And here I'm showing you guys a little gift shop section that they had that you can buy little souvenirs and gifts for your life. So I enjoyed myself at this restaurant. It was a fun little Halloween edition for Try It Tuesday. I do recommend it to anybody coming to the LA area and try some of their food out. So here's another episode. Hope you guys loved it.